judgment detox. I spoke of judgment earlier, and I want to distinguish this here because one might get confused that I'm not judging, I was just, giving feedback. Or I don't mean to judge, I was just suggesting to that person what to do, but I came across as judgmental. So what this is basically, when you're interacting, and even for yourself, we don't need any sort of judgment. There's only one judge sitting up there. We are not the son of a judge. We are the son of God. Let's be God-like and not judge-like. So keep the judgment aside, but critique is absolutely welcome. In this sense, critique in the sense, constructive criticism, not criticism for the heck of it. Constructive criticism is important as it helps evolve and it helps for improvement. Judgment pushes you down, critique takes you up. Judgment is not required because each person is unique. But critique is important because self-improvement is necessary. But whom should you judge or not judge? You should judge no one. And whom should you critique? Only yourself in areas of improvement, or specific people who are close to you who ask for feedback. Who ask for feedback. Third time, who ask for feedback. Because we are such experts in giving feedback without being asked. And specifically, as parents, oftentimes we assume a certain role. And as parents, we are giving this sort of, critique, do this, don't do this, because we get identified with a positioning. Or we put ourselves on a certain pedestal. So critique to a point where the child can accept. Beyond a certain age, only give feedback when asked. How should you do it? For the self daily, for others only when asked. And the motive for judgment is none. In fact, the opposite of that is love, right? Why should you judge anything when everything is perfect? A snowflake, a thumbprint, everything is unique. But in terms of self-critique, it's important because the material world is constantly changing. Everything is constantly upgraded. Everything is changing. Business structures, companies, cities, the way they are transforming and moving. So critique keeps you active and relevant. So adopt that, but don't hand it out to other people and stay wary of judgment vis-a-vis critique.